importance of linking your bank account. You see, linking your bank account to Cowrywise is the key step for both funding your investments and withdrawing your returns. Cowrywise uses a smart payment system where your linked bank accounts can be used for automated savings without needing a debit card. So, stop letting bank transfer fees eat your profits. Link your bank account directly to Cowrywise for seamless automated wealth building. First, open your Cowrywise app and type your profile picture in the top left corner. From the menu, select Payment. Inside Payment, you see options for cards and banks, and you might see the option for bank depending on your account. Then tap on Banks. You can tap on Bank, and then to open up to show you all the accounts are linked. If there's no links, click on the plus icon, or just simply click on the plus icon at the bottom right and select Add Bank. You see a list of all your major banks. After putting your account number, select yours and enter after putting your account number. And then after doing that, it will ask you to continue. Click on continue, and from there, your bank accounts. Please note something: your bank account must match the name on your BVN. Cowrywise does this to ensure that even if someone hacked your phone, they could only withdraw money to your account, not theirs. So, then you have to enable direct debit, which lets you save automatically without a card. Cowrywise might ask you to make a one-time validation transfer of exactly 15 naira. This links the pipes between your bank and the app. It usually takes about 24 to 72 hours to fully verify your account. So that's it. You can set a default account. If you have multiple banks linked, Cowrywise will always try to fund your savings from your default account first. If that fails, maybe it is empty, it automatically tries your alternative account, so you can never miss a day of interest. Now you are linked and ready to grow. No more manual transfers, no more excuses. If you had any trouble linking your bank account, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Cowrywise masterclasses. See you in the next one.